Empty units are bleeding your portfolio dry, costing you thousands every single month while 2026 market shifts loom ahead. You are not just struggling to find a tenant, you are failing to secure a high quality partner for your property's long term health. While most landlords treat housing as a replaceable commodity, the top 1% of owners thrive by pivot shifting into a premium service model. And the last method I am going to share. It is something the big management firms usually ignore, yet it works better than lowering the rent by $500 a month. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get to work. To understand vacancy, you have to look at the numbers. According to recent market analysis from the Harvard Joint Center for Housing Studies, even a 1 month vacancy can erase the profit margin of an entire year if you are not careful. Think about the math. If your monthly rent is $2,000, a 30-day gap is a $2,000 loss. That is before you count the cleaning fees, the marketing costs, and the utility bills you are stuck paying. It adds up fast. But vacancy is often a symptom of poor communication rather than a bad market. Let's start with the easy win. The first strategy is what I call the 60-day renewal dance. Most landlords wait until 30 days before a lease expires to reach out. By then, your tenant has already looked at other listings online. You are essentially forcing them to shop around. Instead, send automated reminder to reach out 60 days in advance. Keep it human. A simple text or email that asks, "Hey, how has your year been? And are you planning to stay?" Opens the door for a conversation before the resentment of a pending move out sets in. I know a property manager named Marcus in Chicago who implemented this 2 years ago. He saw his renewal rate climb from 60% to 85% in just one cycle. He didn't change the paint, he didn't lower the price, he just started talking to people earlier. It sounds almost too simple to be true, but in an age of digital automation, that personal touch becomes the ultimate competitive advantage. Now, let's move to the second point, which is the level up. This is where we talk about value add maintenance. Most landlords fix things when they break. That is reactive management. Reactive management leads to angry tenants, and angry tenants leave the moment their lease term hits zero. In 2026, prospective tenants are looking for turnkey living. They want the smart thermostat, the high speed internet capability, and the updated light fixtures. If you invest $500 into a smart home hub and a keyless entry system, you aren't just modernizing your unit. You are building a mental barrier to exit. A tenant who can enter their home with a fingerprint scanner and adjust their heat from their phone feels a sense of ownership and convenience they cannot easily find elsewhere. A report from the National Apartment Association showed that tech enabled units saw a 12% increase in long term resident retention. That is not just data, that is a fundamental shift in how people view their living space. If this is clicking for you, hit subscribe. I drop videos like this every week to help you scale your portfolio. All right, you have mastered the early renewal and you have modernized the unit. But what if I told you there is something even better? This is the one I have been saving for you. It is the concept of hyperlocal community integration. Most investors think their property ends at the front door. They don't care about the block, the neighbors, or the local amenities. But the best landlords, the ones who never have a vacant unit for more than a week, are effectively the unofficial mayors of their street. Here is the story of Sarah, an investor in a mid-sized town who had a persistent vacancy problem. She decided to create a neighborhood welcome kit for her prospective tenants. It wasn't just a list of rules. It included gift cards to the best local coffee shop down the block, a list of the safest walking routes to the nearby park, and an introduction to the local neighborhood watch lead. She wasn't selling an apartment, she was selling a lifestyle. She fostered a sense of belonging before they even signed the lease. When you make a tenant feel like they are part of a community rather than just a number on a ledger, they don't look at Zillow every Sunday night. They stop being a tenant and start being a neighbor. The vacancy rate for her 3 properties dropped to zero for 3 consecutive years. Zero. Let that sink in for a moment. You aren't just managing concrete and drywall, you are managing human relationships. When people feel connected, they stay. When people stay, you win. Think about the ripple effect of this. If your tenant stays for 4 years instead of 2, you have saved the cost of 2 full turnover cycles. You have saved on cleaning, marketing, potential damage from moving furniture, and the stress of vetting new applicants. That adds up to thousands of dollars in pure profit. And more importantly, you have gained the luxury of time. You aren't constantly firefighting. You are building a sustainable business that runs with minimal intervention. In 2026, the market will be more competitive than ever, but these strategies are timeless. They rely on the human element, which automation and algorithms will never truly replace. You are moving from a landlord who hopes for a check to an operator who creates value. And once you see it this way, you can't unsee it. Every interaction you have with a tenant is an investment in your own future vacancy rate. Don't view it as a chore. View it as the most high leverage work you do all month. So there you go. 3 real ways to eliminate vacancy: the 60-day check-in, the tech-forward upgrade, and the hyper-local community connection. And that third one, it changes the entire power dynamic of the landlord-tenant relationship. It moves you from being a service provider to a community leader. That shift alone will pay for your efforts tenfold. If you got value from this, share it with another investor who needs to hear it, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into real estate operations. I have a video coming next week about how to self-manage without losing your mind, and you won't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, your properties are only as good as the people living in them. Treat them well, and they will reward you with consistency, stability, and peace of mind. That is the secret to a thriving rental business in the coming years. Nothing else compares.